Guys, how are you? Welcome. Right, today we want to talk about subject of formula. Well, personally, it's one of my favorite topics or one of my favorite subject to teach, and I also enjoy working problems to do with the subject of formula. So, what do we really mean? Well, basically, you are dealing with formulas and you are rearranging them. in a nutshell, I think that sums up. You are just rearranging an expression. For example, I'll look for something very literal. Let's say we have x is equal to bn. So you're asked to make n the subject of formula. So in other words, you want to rearrange the expression such that you'll be saying n at the end of it is equal to something. So how do we do it? So if we have x is equal to bn, so we divide this size by b, divide that one by b cancels out each other, b into b, that one remains like that. So x over b is equal to n. So we would have made n the subject of formula. But if I might just have another page like that, right? But now going a bit deeper, the formula that you use or the standard that guides you is the one that we call BODMAS. You might have heard of this, brackets or even let me right, I think that will do. Right, so brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So you start from this side going that side. So if there is a subtraction first, you try to make sure that you remove it. If there is an addition, you remove the addition. If there's a multiplication, division of all brackets, I'll show you as we go along. So let's have an example, something a bit tough, challenging. So right, so let's say we have this expression f squared is equal to gm squared again over r minus plus t, and we are asked to make let me change that one, and we are asked to make r the subject of the formula. So in other words, we want to rearrange that expression such that at the end of it all we have something which says r is equal to something, which includes an f, a g, a m, and a t. So according to our BODMAS, we can see that we have an addition there. There's no subtraction, but addition is there. So first of all, we need to remove this part, that part. So we are saying, this is what we are saying. So we're saying f squared is equal to gm squared over r plus t. So how do we remove this one? Well, if you remove it from this side, going to this side, when it goes over the equal sign, this is what I'm saying. I need to show it. So if this goes over this equal sign, the sign automatically changes. This one becomes a minus. So that's what we are basically trying to illustrate there. So as a result, we have f squared minus t is equal to gm squared over r. Remember, we want to make r the subject of formula. Again, from this, what can we do here? We can see there is no subtraction, no addition, there is no multiplication, but there is division. So division, we are dividing by r here. So how to remove that? Multiply both sides by r. Multiply also this side by another r. So as a result, we have r bracket f squared minus t bracket is equal to these will cancel out, so that you can see that. So an R and an R will cancel out each other, leaving us with GM squared. If I might slide that a bit up there, like that. So we are almost done with that. So remember, we want to make R subject of formula. In other words, we want to remain with something that says that R is equal to something. So on this side there is no R, it's fine, but here we have an R. So what are we going to do? Simple. So this side, so R bracket F squared minus T is equal to GM squared. So it's very easy to remove the part that doesn't have an R, which is that part. So for you to see it clearly, let me put it in red. So we are going to divide this side by F squared minus T. What we do on this side, definitely we also do on the other side. So F squared minus T. So this one, so that it becomes clear. So we are going to cancel this one and that one. So as a result, we are going to have R is equal to GM squared divided by F squared minus T. So we would have made R the subject of formula. I know it's a bit long, but if you go through it step by step, you are using your BODMAS, you won't go wrong. So I think we need another example to make this stick out. We need another example. Let me choose black. Need another example, right? Right, I have this one. Interesting. 1 over A plus 1 over B is equal to 3. 1 over A plus 1 over B is equal to 3. Again, our defining formula or concept, the BODMAS. So in here we want to make A subject of formula. This is what we want. We want to make the A the subject of formula. So how do we calculate that one? It's very easy. So it's 1 over A plus 1 over B is equal to 3. So we need to remove this part. So let me change the color. So we need to remove this part, which has a B, so that we can remain with this part that only has an A. And then from there onwards, we can see how we can then work out that one. So how do you remove that? That one is an addition sign. Addition, yes, addition. So it just simply goes over the equal sign, it becomes a negative. So we have 1 over A is equal to 3 minus 1 over B. Interesting. So now for us to remove the A, sorry, this is supposed to be an A. The A that is below there, we multiply both sides by an A. So we have A bracket. There's no need for a bracket. Multiply this one by 1 over A is equal to, what we do that, we do also on the other side, A bracket 3 minus 1 over a B, like that. So for you to see the workings, so the A and the A will cancel out each other, leaving us with the 1, and then the A here will multiply everything that is inside the bracket. So as a result, we have 1 is equal to A bracket 3 minus 1 over a B, like that. What does that mean? Well, since we want to make A subject of formula, we can easily remove that part So we can easily remove that part. 3 minus 1 over AB. So what we do on the right hand side, we also need to do that on the left hand side. This will be a B. So there's going to be a lot of cancelling out of each other. This one will cancel that one, leaving us with the A. So as a result, 1 over 3 minus 1 over B is equal to A. So A is equal to 1 over 3 minus 1 over B. So we would have made A the subject of formula. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I think if you need more examples, please just let me know so that I can continue to produce more. So the channel, you know it, is Professor Fletcher M. Oh, supposed to be an M there. So please subscribe.